and welcome to another one of our videos. In this tutorial, I'll be going over BuilderallZap, a new tool that enables you to use WhatsApp to send automated messages to your leads as long as you have their contact information, in this case, their phone numbers, okay? So in the future, you'll be able to integrate this tool with Mailing Boss as well as the Message Center and send messages to your leads through WhatsApp, okay? Right now, we can configure this, which is what I'll be doing in this tutorial. So as you guys can see here on the left, we have the dashboard, and I have analytics regarding my message campaigns, such as the messages waiting to be sent, as well as the messages waiting to be resent. And I have the messages successfully sent today and the errors today, as well as the messages successfully sent this month and the errors within this month, okay? And on the right, I can see the message queue. I can see the ID, the number it was sent to, the status, and the date. And I can click here on settings to start to configure this whole process. So I'll first go ahead and click here on verify to link my WhatsApp account to the tool. And once I do this, I'll have to follow the steps as I usually would on WhatsApp web, okay? So first I have to tap on menu or settings and then select WhatsApp web. Then I have to click on scan QR code, and once I'm there, I can click here, and by clicking here, I'll be prompted with this code, and I can just point my camera towards the code like I just did with my phone, and then click on ready. Once I've done this, I'll just wait for a little bit, and then the phone will be the WhatsApp will be completely linked and ready to go, okay? Next step will be to test this feature by sending a text message. So I can do this by first including the country code, followed by the state code, and then the phone number, okay? I can choose to use this format here. So 2 spaces and 1 dash. And it has to be written exactly like this in order for this to work, or I can write the number like this. And if I choose to write this way, it'll also work, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my phone number. I'll just be using the format, and I'll go ahead and write a message. Alright, so now I'll click here on send, and as you guys can see, the message was queued. I can see here the status, and now I'll be jumping on to WhatsApp web so I can show you guys how it will look, okay? So if the tool was properly set up, you should be seeing your message here, just like you can see mine, okay? I hope to see you in the next video.